you ever went to heat up some spaghetti sauce or maybe heat up some pasta? You put it in your microwave and you forget to use your cover. And if you want one of the best-selling microwave lid covers so that you never experience this again, check below. The buzzer goes off and you get so excited to eat your delicious meal, and then you open your microwave and you are like, what in the heck? And maybe you take your delicious thing out and you realize you don't have time to clean this. You need to get to work. And you come back at the end of the day and this stuff is caked on hardened. I have a little trick for you to get this out. No prob, less scrubbing, in fact almost no scrubbing. Go ahead and get yourself some Dollar Tree oven cleaner or just regular old oven cleaner that you may find, and some plastic wrap. If you have a dishwasher, go ahead and take this tray out and stick it on in there. Dun dun dun. Now when you do this, you need to make sure that these have room to rotate so that it will effectively clean, and if not, just soak this in some hot soapy water for as long as needed, or put it here on your top rack. Go ahead and spray the inside of your microwave and be generous with it, my friend, especially if you have a really nasty, look at that, nasty situation going on in there. Look at that, looks like shaving foam. You could probably use some shaving foam as well. It's great. The alcohol in the shaving cream works great, but try it with oven cleaner first. Now grab yourself some plastic wrap. We're basically gonna put Band-Aids all over your microwave. This is gonna help trap in the moisture, making it more effective. That's looking better already. By the way, this is very satisfying. This is great, especially over the holidays if you have a lot of people in and out of your microwave reheating stuff. And if you need a little step stool, this one's from Amazon. Anything I talk about will be linked in the description box below. And a good pair of cleaning gloves will also help protect your hands and nails. And if you see a spot where you might need to add a little bit more oven cleaner, just go ahead and do that and cover it up. That looks so gnarly. If someone comes over to your house and they're like, what has happened to your microwave? Once you show them the result, they're gonna be calling you a genius, my friend. Now you wanna let this sit as long as humanly possible, especially if you have caked on grease that's been there for months, maybe years, maybe you're renting and the previous people never took care of their business. I'm gonna let mine sit for about an hour and I'll show you the result. Fun fact, you can do this little cleaning trick in your sink, in your tub, in your shower, in your refrigerator, basically anywhere you do not want to do a ton of scrubbing and you got a situation going on. Time is up. Go ahead and take off your plastic wrap, just like so. Yes, I'm so excited. Now I'd like to get a simple sponge with a little warm water. Let's just take this spot right here. Watch this, my friend. I'm gonna wipe it clean. Do you see that? It basically just melts itself off. Now you certainly could try the vinegar trick where you heat it up in your microwave, but this works way better in my experience with having 4 kids and lots of people in and out of my house forgetting to put the lid on their heated up goodies. But look at this, it just wipes away seamlessly. I am so excited. Yes. Remember the ceiling? Oh yeah, watch this. Come on, come on. Yes. Oh, this is one of my favorite cleaning tricks in the book. Now that literally looks spotless. Now a couple things here. You may say, can I just use the oven cleaner? And I would say you can try it, but the plastic wrap is definitely going to accelerate the cleaning process without you having to do much of anything. The actual cleaning time of this microwave is less than a minute between wiping it down and just drying it up like I'm doing now. If you want even more cleaning hacks, make sure you check out the blog AndreaJeanCleaning.com for some excellent and clever ideas. Now, if you want to see an Amazon kitchen gadgets video, click the video on screen now, or if you want to see a really effective and cool mopping hack, click this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.